Alright, so 3.5 asked us to copy L, Control C to copy, and then put it onto another sheet, Control V. Bam, same numbers. Moving on, so we're going to make a frequency table with a width of 2 hours. So we're going to go to C1, sleep hour, 2, and then C3 is 4. You're going to womp, grab the bottom right corner down to C7. And you can see it went all the way down to 12. And then we're going to get the analysis tool pack. I'm going to start it. Okay, so our input range, Control C, we're just copying word for word. Bin, so as you can see, it's just clicking wherever I had already clicked on. That's what it keeps autofilling. So bin is going to be this one. There we go. Output range, again, still showing D3. Check the box for labels. Output range, Control C, D3 again, pop. Chart output. Click OK, and we should get a bin and a chart. So here's a problem that I was having while I was following these instructions. So you can see 502 cases for 2 hours of sleep. That's definitely wrong. So if you're getting that, here's the fix. So our input range is actually going to be just like all the way down. There might be a faster way of doing this, but I had to try and avoid the sleep column for some reason just to get this to work. Come on. So you saw it said 502 cases, and what you're about to see is that, well, we have around 500 cases. There we go. There we go. From A2 to A507, that's what it's counting. And I'm going to click OK again. Scroll all the way back up. Scroll to the right. Womp womp. There we go. There's our proper graph. And so it's asking you to do all of this other stuff in E2. This is E2. Go from 0.0 to 2. I think if you can just tell what it's doing, it's going 0 to 2, 2 to 4, etc., etc., etc. And it's also going to ask you to change the gap width. Again, that's just to bring everything closer and make it easier to look at. So when we max this, there we go. There's our histogram. And then you can look at these numbers. Again, this is going to be 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, etc., etc. Same thing.